Hey, how's it going? It's Henry Romero, HRBC Insurance. We're back, another segment on Medicare and you. So today we're going to talk about that's a long word, enrollment periods. So I always get asked, when can I enroll? What can I do? When is it time? So number one, we're going to talk about the initial coverage election period. So the ICEP is when you first qualify for Medicare A and B. When you get your A and your B, what do? Well, you have 3 months before your birthday month, plus your birthday month, plus 3 months after your birthday month to enroll on a Medicare Advantage plan, okay? So that's a total of 7 months that you have during your ICEP period to enroll on a Medicare Advantage plan. That's number one. Number two is, once I have Medicare, do I have options during the year? Well, you have what is called the annual election period. Now, the annual election period is kind of when you worked and you had open enrollment. It runs from October 15th through December 7th. And your plan is effective January 1 of the next year. So the annual election period, you probably get bombarded with mail, commercials, radio ads. Well, that's where we come in, because we can decipher that and help you elect a plan that'll fit your needs for the following year. So that is October 15th through December 7th. The next period, it's a little confusing because it's the open enrollment period. And people ask, well, isn't that this? No. Annual election period is different because the OEP runs from January 1st through March 31st. And it will be effective first of the following month from when you enroll. So why do we have an OEP? Well, the government gives you that option because some people during the annual election period, they don't make a switch. And maybe their plan changes, the formulary changes, the doctor drops it. Well, if you don't find out until January, you don't want to get stuck with that plan that doesn't suit your needs. So we can always evaluate during this time period and find a plan that better suits your needs. So that's the open enrollment period. And then you have what is called an SEP. That is a special election period. So what's a special election period? If you lose coverage, if you have a chronic condition, okay? Chronic condition, if you have Medicare and Medi-Cal, that's a Medi-Medi. So there's a few different SEPs out there. Right now, FEMA, so the Federal Emergency Agency, they allow people right now to change anytime because of drought, because of the fires. So there's an SEP in place for that too. So these are the major enrollment periods that you're eligible for. Keep them in mind. And if you have any questions, like always, feel free to give us a call or look on our website. We're always here to help. Thank you. Henry Romero, out.